I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Finish the mission chain, and the game state allows new properties. Once done, make sure you carry the $15,000 and any faction standing required. This avoids repeating tasks. You should also save before attempting to claim the lot. Then approach the auto shop marker on the map during daytime to trigger the initial interaction. You need to be close and on foot. The game flags workshop ownership only when you're near, and not in combat or vehicle. You interact with the on-screen prompt to open the ownership dialog. This is the decisive moment. Once you accept, a short mini-quest or delivery sequence often appears. Complete it promptly and avoid unnecessary detours, because failing objectives cancels the transfer. Make sure your inventory and vehicle eligibility meet task requirements before starting those steps. Then pay the fee at the confirmation prompt and watch for the in-game acknowledgement. This saves the shop to your property list and activates upgrade options. You finish by installing any basic upgrade and testing shop functions. Store a vehicle and run a quick job to confirm revenue flow. Once you see ownership in the property menu, make sure active missions reference the shop to validate success. If the purchase fails or the prompt never appears, reload the previous save and repeat the interaction while standing on foot. Mods, corrupt saves, or being in a restricted area commonly block the trigger. Remove mods or move to a different save slot if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.